If your shoes are looking dirty and worn out and you want a quick way to clean them, using a washing machine can work really well, but only if you do it correctly. Today we are going over how to wash your shoes in a washing machine safely without ruining the shape, color, or material. First, check if your shoes are machine washable. Not every shoe is designed for a machine wash. Most fabric sneakers, canvas shoes, mesh running shoes, and some athletic shoes are usually safe. Leather, suede, or shoes with delicate glue or trims should never go in the washer. Look at the care label or the manufacturer's website before starting. Next, remove surface dirt so the machine does not do all the heavy lifting. Take a soft brush or dry cloth and scrub off loose dust, dried mud, and debris. Pay attention to the edges of the sole and the toe area where dirt collects the most. Pre-cleaning helps your shoes come out cleaner and reduces stress on your washing machine. Now, remove the laces and insoles. These trap dirt and usually need their own cleaning. Put the laces and insoles in a mesh laundry bag so they do not get tangled or stuck in the machine. If the insoles are foam and very delicate, clean them by hand instead of washing them with the shoes. Place the shoes inside a mesh laundry bag as well. This helps protect them from harsh tumbling and reduces the chances of them hitting the drum too hard. It also prevents damage to the washing machine. To balance the machine, add a few old towels or soft clothing items. This reduces loud banging sounds and protects the shoes from harsh impacts. The towels absorb movement and keep everything steady during the wash cycle. Now it is time to choose the right detergent. Use a small amount of mild liquid detergent. Powder detergents can leave residue on the material. Avoid bleach or strong chemicals that can fade colors or weaken fabric. Place the detergent in the detergent compartment. Then select a gentle or delicate wash cycle with cold water. Hot water can shrink shoes, fade colors, or weaken glues holding the soles together. Cold water is the safest for the materials most shoes are made from. Start the wash cycle and let it run completely. If your machine has an extra rinse option, select it. Shoes often hold detergent inside the fabric and foam, so an extra rinse helps remove leftover soap and prevents stiffness after drying. When the cycle finishes, open the mesh bag and take the shoes out. They will be wet, slightly floppy, and will not look finished yet. This is normal. Do not panic or think they are ruined. Reshape the shoes gently using your hands. Stuff the inside with clean towels, paper towels, or newspaper. This keeps the shoes firm as they dry and helps them keep their original shape. It also absorbs extra moisture, making the drying process faster. Never put shoes in the dryer. High heat can warp soles, shrink fabric, melt glue, or completely ruin them. Always air dry shoes for the best results. Place them in a well-ventilated room, preferably near a fan or open window, but away from direct sunlight or heaters. Sunlight can fade colors and warp certain materials. Flip the shoes occasionally or replace the stuffing if it becomes too damp. Drying usually takes several hours, sometimes overnight depending on the thickness of the shoe. Once the shoes are fully dry, reinsert the clean insoles and lace them back up. Check the shape, flexibility, and smell. They should look refreshed, clean, and ready to wear again. Here are a few extra tips to make your results even better. If your shoes have bad odor, sprinkle a little baking soda inside the shoes before washing. For white sneakers, a small amount of white vinegar in the wash can help brighten them. Do not wash heavy boots or shoes with metal parts in a machine. Never soak shoes for long periods, as soaking weakens adhesives. If your shoes have stubborn stains, pre-treating with a small amount of detergent before washing helps a lot. Let's quickly recap. Check if the shoes are machine washable, brush off loose dirt, remove laces and insoles. Use a mesh laundry bag for protection. Add towels to balance the load. Use mild detergent and cold water. Select a delicate wash cycle. Air dry only, no dryer. Reshape the shoes as they dry. By following these steps, you can wash your shoes quickly, safely, and effectively without damaging them or your washing machine. It is simple, it saves time, and your shoes will look almost new when you are done. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.